Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 21, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 21, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, June 21, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 21, 2026, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, June 21, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of June 21, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.